Hi guys, today we're going to be making a funny face monster what actually opens its mouth, and all you need is some glue, an egg tub, some paint, a plastic bag, some scissors, 2 pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, a straw, and a pencil, and some paper or card, and some paint brushes. Let's get started painting, and make sure your box is covered in paint but not inside. I'm nearly done. What are my colours? Guys, I'm on my second colour, and if you want to do 2 colours, it's up to you, because I am. Right guys, this is looking very beautiful, and mine is going to be called Pinky Greenie. What's yours going to be called? So guys, I'm going to have to move my box out, so then all the glue doesn't get onto my box, and now I'm going to glue my eyes onto the pom-pom like this. And it's very, very sticky. So now get your paper or card and pencil and do your teeth. Wow, they're so amazing. So now let's cut them out. Now I'm going to cut where the fold is, so it'll be more easier to cut my teeth out. But I don't mean these teeth. Now I'm going to stick my teeth on with my glue onto the box. And do the big ones first. That's starting to look great. It's yours. Now time for the small ones. It's going to be very tricky. And also tricky to get off the table. That looks wonderful! Guys, I'm now going to stick my eyes on. And I wonder what it will look like once it's all dried and finished. I bet it's going to look amazing, and yours too. and it's so sticky. That looks amazing. All you need now is your bag, your straw, and a pen to poke a hole. Use your pen to poke a hole at the back. You may need a parent's help to feed the bag through your hole. The opening should be at the back like this. You may need help doing this, so push your straw through your bag. Right guys, time for the fun bit to blow it. Amazing! It really works! Hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for next video. Bye!